Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's video is all about impressing your guests. That's it. It's summer, so I'm going to do fruit kebab. You can call it skewers or fruit kebab. This is about impressing your guest. I'm gonna do oranges. So just like that. Make your guest feel important. Your guest will feel important. It doesn't take much to impress guests. Put it how you like. There's no wrong way of doing it. No right, no wrong. Go crazy. Make it to your liking. Be the guest with the mostest. The hostess with the mostest. The hostess with the mostest. Look how beautiful. How beautiful. You can call them skewers, kebab, whatever name you like. Fruit kebab or fruit skewers. It doesn't matter. So this is it. We are all done. We are all done. All done. Look how stunning. It's stunning. So beautiful. So beautiful. This is it. So now we are going to put a little bit of lemon, a little bit of lime, just a little bit of lime. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. Oh. So now more. So now I'm ready to put them in the fridge. Look at it, guys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Simply, simply beautiful. Fruit kebab. This is our fruit kebab. The skewers. Oh my goodness. So the guests come and they're just like this. Like this. This is it. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your family. Here it is, everybody. So, so beautiful. Thank you, bye. Ooh.